Reishi, a single mushroom revered for centuries, rumored to grant immortality, boost your immune system, and even bring you inner peace. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind this legendary fungus, exploring its incredible health benefits, and showing you how to make it a part of your daily routine. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll discover why reishi might just be the key to a healthier, more vibrant life. Reishi mushrooms, scientifically known as Ganoderma lucidum, have been a staple in Eastern medicine for thousands of years. Revered for their supposed longevity-enhancing properties, reishi mushrooms are often called the mushroom of immortality. But what exactly makes them so special? Well, that's what we will talk about next, but first, let's talk about what reishi mushrooms are. Reishi mushrooms grow in various hot and humid locations in Asia, primarily on decaying hardwood trees. They have a distinctive kidney-shaped cap and a glossy reddish-brown surface. Unlike your typical culinary mushrooms, reishi is tough and woody, making it unsuitable for cooking. Instead, it's often consumed in powdered form, capsules, or as an extract. Reishi mushrooms have a rich history in traditional Chinese medicine. They've been used for over 2,000 years, with ancient texts referring to them as lingji, which means spiritual potency. Emperors and royalty prized reishi for its ability to promote vitality, longevity, and overall well-being. This historical context adds to the allure and mystique of reishi as a powerful natural remedy. Now let's dive into the health benefits of reishi mushrooms. Research has shown that reishi offers a wide range of potential health benefits thanks to its bioactive compounds. Here are some of the most notable ones. Immune system support. Reishi is known to boost the immune system. It contains polysaccharides and triterpenes that enhance the activity of white blood cells, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease and cancer. Reishi's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce inflammation, promoting better overall health. Antioxidant effects. Reishi mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Stress reduction and better sleep. Reishi is often used as an adaptogen, helping the body manage stress. It can also improve sleep quality by calming the nervous system and promoting relaxation. Heart health. Some studies suggest that reishi mushrooms can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to better cardiovascular health. Liver health. Reishi has hepatoprotective properties, meaning it can protect the liver from damage and support its detoxification functions. So, how can you incorporate reishi mushrooms into your routine? There are several ways to do this. Reishi tea. One of the most traditional methods is to make reishi tea. Simmer dried reishi slices in water for about 30 minutes to an hour. The resulting tea has a bitter taste, which you can balance with a bit of honey or lemon. Reishi powder. You can add reishi powder to smoothies, coffee, or even sprinkle it on your food. This is a convenient way to enjoy its benefits without dealing with the bitterness. Capsules and extracts. For those who prefer a more straightforward approach, reishi is available in capsule or extract form. This ensures you get a consistent dose without any fuss. Topical applications. Reishi extract is sometimes included in skincare products due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help soothe the skin and reduce signs of aging. While reishi mushrooms are generally safe for most people, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Some people might experience digestive issues, dry mouth, or dizziness when consuming reishi. It's also crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before adding reishi to your regimen, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. And there you have it, an in-depth look at reishi mushrooms and why they're called the mushroom of immortality. From boosting your immune system to reducing stress and improving heart health, reishi offers a host of benefits that can support your overall well-being. Click here to watch my video on the fermented foods you could eat to detoxify your liver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care.